OP analysis. General overview and trend. OP has experienced extreme volatility over the past 3 months. Starting at 0.770 on the 22nd of May, the stock reached a peak of 3.17 on the 16th of June before plummeting to 0.0867 on the 19th of August. It closed at 0.1034 on the 20th of August, showing a slight recovery from the previous low. The overall trend has been bearish, particularly in the last month, with the stock losing significant value. Price and volume. Price movements were accompanied by extraordinary volume on specific days. Notably, volume reached 80,277,705 shares on the 13th of June as the price jumped from 0.7503 to 1.61, and 59,914,442 shares on the 16th of June at the peak. More recently, volume spiked to 470,943,118 shares on the 30th of July and 166,409,014 shares on the 20th of August, indicating significant trading activity and shifting sentiment. Moving averages EMA and SMA. Most MAs are below their corresponding SMAs, indicating recent downward momentum. The 5-day EMA at 0.0985 is slightly above the 5-day SMA at 0.0966, suggesting a potential short-term recovery. However, the current price at 0.1034 is below most longer-term moving averages, signaling a bearish trend. The VWAP at 0.4812 is significantly above the current price, indicating the stock is trading below the average price paid by traders. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators. MACD at -0.2296 is negative, but the MACD histogram at 0.0422 is positive, indicating a potential momentum shift. RSI 14 at 33.6572 is in neutral territory, while MFI 14 at 48,949 also suggests neutral conditions. Trend indicators. ADX 14 at 14.2529 and ADXR 14 at 17.2998 indicate weak trend strength. A rune down at 100.0 and a rune up at 0.0 confirm a strong downtrend. Parabolic SAR at 0.1723 is above the current price, supporting bearish sentiment. Volatility indicators. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 0.2259, middle band at 0.1295, and lower band at 0.033. The current price is near the middle band, suggesting a consolidation phase. ATR 14 at 0.1067 reflects high volatility. Volume indicators. Chaikin oscillator at 2703864497766 is positive, suggesting some accumulation. OBV at 250904793 is positive, but given extreme price movements, it's difficult to interpret as a clear bullish or bearish signal. Linear regression. While exact linear regression values aren't provided, the overall downward price movement, especially in recent weeks, suggests a negative slope in the regression line. This confirms a bearish trend during the analyzed period. Next trading day opening prediction. Considering the slight recovery and high volume on the 20th of August, OP may open slightly higher in the next session. However, the overall bearish trend and weak technical indicators warrant caution. Based on current trends, the opening price could be around 0.10-0.11. Support and resistance analysis. The current price at 0.1034 is below most moving averages, which now act as resistance. Immediate resistance is around 0.11, followed by 0.125, recent high. Support is at the recent low of 0.0867. Given the distance to these levels, the stock may trade within this range in the short term. Extreme volatility makes precise support and resistance levels challenging to identify. Intraday ATR 14 based potential high and low. ATR 14 at 0.1067 suggests potential intraday high around 0.1034 plus 0.1067 equals 0.2101 and potential low around 0.1034, 0.1067 equals to 0.0033. Since stock prices can't be negative, the practical low would be near zero. Recent extreme volatility suggests the actual range may be wider. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. If the recent recovery signals a trend reversal, OP could move higher, potentially breaking above 0.125 resistance. The positive MACD histogram and Chaikin oscillator support this possibility. Neutral scenario. The stock may consolidate at current levels as the market absorbs recent extreme movements, leading to sideways trading with minor fluctuations. Bearish scenario. The overall bearish trend and weak technical indicators suggest further downside. Selling pressure could push the price toward the recent low of 0.0867 or lower. Conclusion. OP has experienced extreme volatility with a significant bearish trend, especially in recent weeks. Technical indicators mostly support a bearish outlook, though there are tentative signs of a potential short-term recovery. Investors should be cautious due to high volatility and the possibility of sharp price movements in either direction. The next few days will be crucial in determining whether the slight recovery continues or the bearish trend resumes.